Hi, this is Lori Wilkinson, and you have reached me because you typed in how much does the average flight attendant make? This is a great question. That's a question I had when I first started applying for flight attendant positions. I knew I wanted to work for an airline for the travel benefits, and also I enjoy helping people. I found out that flight attendant salaries are based on a number of factors, including industry, company size, location, years of service, and level of education. The national average yearly salary for flight attendants at the time of this video is $67,706. This means that 50% of all flight attendants make less than this. Since I had my husband's income to fall back on, the low salary was not going to deter me. I ended up working in the benefits department for a local airline company for over 13 years. I decided this was the best route for me, since I did not want to have extended trips away from home as flight attendants would, especially starting out new in the industry. I know you're looking for how much does the average flight attendant make. What I don't know is if you're looking to explore it as an occupation. I do recommend that you take a look at additional options. When I retired from the airline industry, I soon realized that I was going to need to supplement my income. I sure wish that I had found this while I was still working for the airline. I would have been ahead of the game in my retirement. Now, I work with some friends of mine on the internet, and we have done very well. You might want to take a couple of minutes to go over to my website, LoriWilkinsonConsulting.com. There you will see a video with our top earners who will show you what we do and how it works. Again, that's LoriWilkinsonConsulting.com. Thank you.